Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. Now I want to say a great big thank you to all of my lovely friends out there that left me comments and suggestions in the video where I asked for comments and suggestions. I really appreciate hearing from you. It helps me kind of plan what's going to come next. One thing that came up a little bit were classes for specific areas of the body in shorter lengths. I've done a lot of those in the past, but I haven't in a while, so this one is a 10-minute class, focusing just on those tummy muscles, an excellent ab-blasting sort of class. One thing that I was thinking of is I'd like to do a class on frequently asked questions when it comes to either Pilates, yoga, exercise in general. If you have questions that you feel like never totally get answered, or maybe you don't know what I mean when I say, pull your belly button in or something, I don't know. But if you want to let me know anything that you'd like kind of answered, just tell me, all right? But otherwise, roll out your mat and let's get started. Let's begin lying on our back with our feet planted into the floor, imprinting our spine, opening our hands either to a little V or right by our side, whatever works better for us, just not straight out to the side. Either way, roll those shoulders back, point your nose straight up, press down into your feet. Don't lift the hips yet, just turn on your hamstrings, the backs of your legs, without knocking your knees in. Think of drawing your inner thighs towards one another. Notice as you engage that low part of your body, did your shoulders lift up? Could we soften them down? Keep that feeling of pressing evenly into both feet. Inhale, lift your hips up. Find your bridge pose. Exhale, roll right back down. Inhale, lift up. Find your bridge pose. Exhale, roll right back down. 2 more. Lift up, bridge pose. Soften down. Last one. Find your bridge pose and stay. Press into your feet. Press into the backs of your arms. Point that nose straight up to the sky. 3 times. Circle your hips as evenly as possible over to the right. So think of shifting them over to the right, dropping them down and around, and lifting them right back up. Inhale, down and around, lift them right back up. Last one, down and around, lift up, hold. Other way for 3, 2, last one. Hold, go to the right again, 3, 2, last one. Hold, one more time around 3, 2, last one. Lift up, stay, big inhale. Exhale, soften down. Immediately imprint the spine. Keep pressing down into both of your arms. Roll those shoulders back. Big breath. Lift the right foot up. Another big inhale. Bring the left to meet the right. Now, if you can bring your inner thighs to touch, that's wonderful. But if our hips are not in the mood for that and there's a little part between them, that's okay. But from here, keep toning that tummy. It's like there's a great big weight sitting on the small of your belly. Keep your nose pointing straight up to the sky. And then inhale, straighten the right leg. Exhale, pull it in. Straighten the left leg. Exhale, pull it in. Back and forth for 3. 2 more. Last set. 3 times both legs out. For 3, exhale, pull in. Inhale out, exhale, pull in. Last one. Inhale out, exhale, pull in, hold. Seal those inner thighs towards one another. Even if they don't touch, that's okay. Keep imprinting the spine, and then can we drop our right toe down to the ground? Exhale, tone your tummy, lift up. Drop your left foot down to the ground. Exhale, tone the tummy, lift up. Keep the small of the back pressing down into the mat the entire time. You are doing fabulous, my friend. It is hard to lift and lower that leg without letting that little imprint go. 3 more. Down, lift it up. Down, lift it up. Good. You got this. Last set. Notice as that foot goes down, do your shoulders want to rise up? Last one. Seal your inner thighs together. We might not drop our toes all the way, and that's okay, but 3 times I want your toes to come down. Exhale, tone that tummy lift. Whew, do you see I am earthquake shaking a little bit as I do that because it is so hard to keep my spine imprinted, to keep my low belly working. Last one, pull it up. Hold. Now touch those toes together. We are going to rotate our legs away from one another. Zip it back up. Inhale, rotate our legs away from one another. Zip it back up. Last one, rotate. Exhale, zip it back up. Stay. Take a big inhale. Let both feet come back down. Immediately lift up. Find your bridge pose. Point that nose straight up to the sky. Turn on the spot where your thigh and your glute connect. Cinch the waist a little bit. Roll those shoulders back. Big inhale. Exhale, lift the right foot up. Drop it down. Exhale, lift the left foot up. Now, as we go up and down, we do not want to circle our hips around, unlike we did the first time we lifted up into our bridge. We want to keep those hips as even and steady as we lower and lift our leg. Also notice what's happening to the weight in your shoulders, in your arms. Again, it wants to be as even as possible. Well, really what it wants to do is rock to one side, but we want to keep it in place. Last one, even yourself out. Set that foot down. Lift the hips up. Big inhale. Exhale, roll yourself down. Big inhale. Lift your right foot. Another breath. Lift the left foot. Rotate those legs out and hold. Now this feels a little bit funny, but I want you to straighten your left leg. Exhale, inner thigh pulls it back in. Straighten your right leg. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it back in. This is an easy spot to splay those ribs. You want to keep those shoulders pressing down. The small of your back pressing down as well. 2 more to each side. Extend the foot out, pull it in. Extend the foot out, pull it in. Last one, right leg. Last one, left leg. Now, 3 times, straighten both legs out. Exhale, pull them together. Inhale, reach the legs long. Exhale, toes pull together. Last one, reach it out. Pull those toes together. Stay. Rotate the legs towards one another. Imprint that spine more. Point that nose up. And then extend your right leg out. And we're going to go a little bit faster, right and left, for 5 and 4, 3 and 2. Last one. Bring both legs together. Rotate it out. Exhale, pull it in. Rotate it out. Exhale, pull it in. Keep pulling that belly button down. It's that weight is holding your low spine in place. Last one, rotate and stay. Go ahead and take those legs out. Now this time I want you to flex the feet. You're going to take a big inhale. Exhale, zip the legs together. Inhale, reach them back out to that starting place. Exhale, zip them together. Inhale, reach them out. 3 more, zip them together. Right on out. 2 more. Last one, zip them together, stay. Rotate the legs back towards one another. Big deep inhale, point the toes, pull it in. Inhale, straighten and flex. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. Inhale, straighten and flex. Exhale, zip up the belly, pull it in. 3 more, reach it out and away. Pull it back in. Last one, out and away and stay. Flex those feet. Big deep inhale. Exhale, open out. Inhale, back together. Exhale, open out. Inhale, back together. 3 more. Exhale, open out. Inhale together. 2 more. Exhale out. Inhale together. Last one, open out, stay. Rotate those legs, point the toes, and then bring the feet back together. If you do not look as graceful and you mumbled through that a little bit, that's okay. But did your low back pull away from the mat? Keep pressing down. Big, deep inhale. Exhale, bring those legs together. Float your fingertips up. Big inhale. Exhale, curl. Lift your head and chest. Hands can come behind the thighs if we need to. That is always okay. But let's reach our legs out again for 5 and 4. 3 and 2. Last one. Bring both legs in. Rotate the legs out. Exhale, pull it in. Rotate the legs out. Exhale, pull it in. 3 more. Rotate them out. Exhale, pull. 2 more out. Exhale, return. Last one out. Stay. Straighten, reach away. Exhale, tone those tummies. Tone those tummies. Tone your tummy. Bring your toes back together. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, pull. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, pull. Last one, straight and stay. Flex the feet. Big, deep inhale. Exhale, zip up your thighs towards one another. Inhale away. Exhale, tone your tummy. Zip it up. Inhale away. If you need a hand behind your head, that's always okay. You could also lower your head and chest down if you need to. Last one, bring it in. Reach those feet long. Big, deep inhale. Exhale, pull it in. Reach it out, flex the feet. You know what's coming. You've already done it before. Reach and extend and flex. Beautiful job. You have got this. One more time. Last one. Reach it out, stay. Flex those feet, big inhale. Exhale, little V. Inhale, zip it up. Exhale, little V. Inhale, zip it up. Exhale, little V. Zip it up. Last one, little V, hold. Rotate the legs, point the toes, bring it in. Lower slowly down. Oh, beautiful job. Stretch those hands over the head, imprint the spine, roll the shoulders back. Nod the head if you need to, hands by your side. Inhale, lift up. Find your bridge. Once more, just like we started class. Broaden those shoulders, nose up to the sky, engage the glutes a little bit more, and we're gonna do our little circles again. Down and around for 3. Down and around for 2. Down and around for 1. Other way for 3. And 2. Last one. Pause. One more time. 3. And 2. Last one. Last set to the left or the opposite side if you did the other one. 2 more. Last one. Lift up. Press down into your hips, roll those shoulders back, big deep inhale. Exhale, send yourself all the way down. Pull your knees into your chest, give yourself a hug, a squeeze. Circle the knees around. Rock yourself up to a seat. Roll the shoulders a little bit. Smile, because that was a big one. Give yourself a pat on the back as always. Thank you so much for joining me for class today. I certainly hope you had a lovely time, and I can't wait to see you again.